everyone, welcome to Naan Kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make tandoori naan at home by using your own tawa. For the tandoori naan dough, we need half cup of water, quarter cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of wheat flour, and 2 cup of refined flour or all-purpose flour. This is onion seed as per the taste and garnishing. As my liquid is ready, I'm going to mix with the flour. This is all-purpose flour. And at the same time, we can add also wheat flour. Just combine well. Here, so it's ready to bring out. If the dough is like this already, so it's meaning it's ready. To become like this, you have to make 10 to 15 minutes. Then now our dough is ready. This dough, we will keep it in the bowl. Before you keep in the bowl, you will spread the oil. You spread the oil and you just roll it. Then you will spread the oil from the top. So it's okay. Now we will close with this one with cling film and we will keep it for 20 minutes. Now we will spread the oil. Okay, then you will take out the dough. This is the dough. The dough is very soft. Okay. Now you will make like this dough ball. Before you put on the plate, just spread the oil to prevent the stick. Then you put. Okay, once the bubbles are up like this, you will just turn the tower upside down. Like this. and slowly you will rotate the tawa until all the tandooris are well cooked. Now it's about to be done. As you can see, only the side you need little bit more to be cooked. So you will just take out and you will place it on the plate. One is ready. Now you can spread the ghee. Okay, this is the butter ghee. So it's become butter naan tandoori. Finally, now our naan tandoori is ready. Today, I'm going to pair with the paya. I have paya soup and I have slice of lemon. So this is the best matching menu. So I hope you like my recipe and please try it at home and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.